guys.
Back.
Like, oh!
Okay.
And Sinyan, do you have anything to say to the viewers?
Hi guys.
Oh,
My name is Priscilla.
yeah, okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna set my spawn point like this. Look, come in the bedroom.
I'm gonna make this place bigger because it's like.
Yeah, but first you have to set your spawn point here. Come
what?
here.
What do you mean? Bed? You have
Yeah,
bed?
if you just do the lie
You
down
only have
and then
one.
don't worry, just lie down and then leave bed. Do it. Did the same thing. Now get up. Okay. Your spawn point is gonna be here.
Go make this place bigger while you just go to places.
Okay. I'll be the lookout if there is it if it's still night. Yup. You have to make a bow because we have plenty of arrows. Any string?
I got like 7 spoons if you
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll make a bow for both of us. 1, 2. Here you go.
14 bones. What?
You have 14 bones?
No, in the chest.
I threw the bow at you. We are the archers now.
Yeah, I'll get some common arrows.
Yeah.
Get 10. No, 5. We need to use this.
Oh yeah,
really
wisely.
Yeah.
I also got 5, so in total we have 10.
Use the.
This is a good thing and a bad thing when you play with other players in survival. The good thing is you can gather food fast. The bad thing is, well, you have to share with the other players. Like a lot, equal amounts. Right? Mm-hmm. We're just doing this for the video and for fun. Oh, did we ever explore this cave?
I'm here.
Come over here.
I'm in the place.
Come down, come down.
I'm making this place bigger so that.
Oh, so I can't go here alone.
Wait, I'll come, but wait.
Okay. Let me just. I think we did because my torch is right here.
Yeah, I'll make this place bigger. Wait, can I break this for a while? Can I break this?
Where?
This
Oh,
one.
the crafting table?
Yeah, I'll put it back.
Okay.
Make
Well,
this
why do you
space
need
bigger.
it for?
I'm gonna make the space bigger.
You stupid spider! I'm the archer master. I'll just wait for you. I'm so bored. I'm just gonna explore it myself.
Okay, go ahead.
Come like soon.
Yeah, well.
No, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna mine some coal. Coal-alicious.
You don't actually need coal. Oh, you just burnt some iron.
Yeah.
I'll put it in the chest. I don't want to use it.
No, you use it.
No,
it's
wisely.
okay.
You need to use it wisely.
But my pickaxe is almost about to break. How about yours?
Wait. I need not too much. I'm using the wooden one because I don't want to use
What wood?
the wooden pickaxe because I don't want to waste.
You can make a stone pickaxe.
Oh, this place is bigger. Yeah. Is this better or something?
Let me look at your screen. No, let me just come up because you know some computer players they can't just look up to other people's screens. So but I'm going to lose this place. Now I'm just gonna stay here. Come faster!
Wait.
You are taking so long. Oh, this cave is big. This cave is big.
I'll get some blocks. I made one more chest for us.
Oh yeah, he made 2 large chests. I'll show it to you guys in a second, but right now, Singing has a comeback right now, fast. Because I can't wait so long for this. Can you see my name tag?
Okay, I'm here.
Be sure to close the door.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Where are you?
I'm over here. Tell me if we ever
Don't
found.
run, dude.
Oh yeah, found this place.
No, we didn't.
Nice. Let's go explore.
Oh, yeah, wait. Don't go inside yet.
Don't jump in. No, I'll put a torch down.
Do I jump?
No. First out. Yeah, okay. There's a torch there. I'm making a safe staircase. Okay. Ow!
Okay.
Wait. Okay, there we go. Made a staircase for you.
Oh, there's coals. This place is big.
I know.
But really short, but long. I'll get some coals.
Yeah, I'll make another staircase. If we have enough cobblestone. Oh, barely.
I have a lot. So
Can you throw it to me?
I'll put it farther.
Okay. 21. Oh, there's another way to get to the.
I need to fall again. Wait.
Yeah, I'll fall and then.
Oh.
There we go. This is it. Let's mine this way. I think there is something here.
Stuff here.
I think there's silver.
Just
Oh, can you mine all the?
Oh, iron.
Yeah, mine the materials that we need. I'm just gonna dig straight.
There's a lot of stuff here. Yeah.
Oh, I think it's time for us to make iron sets because we have a ton of irons. Right?
A lot of iron.
Throughout these episodes. What time is it? I'm just making sure. So it's still. Yep.
Is that any needs?
Oh no, my iron pickaxe is about to break. No, there's no iron.
Let's get out of here.
Why?
It's getting dark.
It's not getting dark. I have more torch. Let's get out of here.
What?
Let's get out of here. There's 5 mob spawners.
Really?
I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Ah! What just happened?
Out of here.
What? Mine?
Yeah, we should go.
Oh yeah. My iron pickaxe broke. Let's make new sets for us. New awesome sets. New awesome sets! Sorry. Was that loud?
This is big.
Oh, there's a skeleton. Die! Die! Okay.
Did you get the bones? Get the bones.
No. Well, I got. Yeah, no. I got 1 bone. You just passed the skeleton the spider that was about to kill you.
Ah! Oh no! Zombie! Go kill yourself!
Nice. Get the rotten flesh, just in case. Oh wait, I have a big.
Get out of here!
We never explored this place.
Oh, iron! I'll get it.
Yeah, I need to make a crafting bench. Yummy, yum. Let's make an iron set now.
What do you mean set?
Set like.
Armor? No.
Why not?
Not yet.
How many iron do you have?
12. And inside I'm not sure. Why is there crafting table?
Oh, because I made it. Don't worry, I have like plenty of sticks and coal. Mine did. At least there was a lot of iron. I have a feeling that there is a gigantic cave in here.
Then why are you leaving me?
Oh, sorry.
Where are you going?
I think this is
We
gonna.
need to get out of here. I want to get out of here.
What? Fine, I'll tell you what if I
Where's
found.
the way out?
Oh, the way out?
I'm gonna get out. You stay here if you want.
Okay.
Where's the place to leave?
It's right here. Oh, iron. We didn't even notice this. Can you also help me mine the iron? Okay, we're done. So, right over there. Just follow the wood. Did you find it?
You're kidding me. This is a long path.
Oh, we've been mining for days now.
No, this is wrong.
Oh, it's wrong?
I just lost ourselves because of that thing.
Oh, there's another clue. A coal clue.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna get out of here without you.
Suit yourself. I will call you whenever I found a cave. No! Oh, I thought there was a cave.
You see this way out. There's so much path here that I can't really find a way out.
I think we have to pack all our stuff and go to another island. This place is a forest. We can't find any things. Do you think we have to pack up and go to another island with a boat?
But we need to get our stuff. Wait, this place is so hard. I didn't find anything.
Yep. My suggestion is
Zombie.
Yeah, it's really hard to live in here. So
Wait, no, seriously, I don't see the way out.
Really? Let's just dig up.
But our house, our stuff.
I'll try to find a way. If I see one, then I could let you know. Please don't be a dead end.
There is a dead end there.
Oh, come on. I hate dead ends. Oh, I'm starving. Any food, dude?
Nope.
Oh, no. I'm not gonna run.
I told you, we need to get out of here. This is like an endless path or something.
Okay, I remember this place. It's right here.
I went here a while ago, I think.
Yeah, I know. And this is the right path. Please be it. If this
path.
Yes, I found it. It's not there, but I know the way from here. From over here. Follow me. Oh no, I can't sprint anymore. It's here. Let's pack up.
Oh, finally.
Let's pack up. Bring the doors. Bring everything.
They'll break these chests.
No, you don't need to break that chest. Just.
No, so that we could use this. Okay, I'll get all the torches. Let's leave.
Let's
So
leave this
dark.
place. Pack your wolf also later at the end. Hey, I was breaking that.
Where's wolf? Oh,
That's yours.
stand up. There, let's go.
No, not yet. You have to pack up, bro.
The bed.
Oh, please be food in here. Food.
There's food in the chest.
Oh, really?
And the diamond.
Oh, okay. Wait, Wolfie, can you move? Can you make your wolf sit down right in the corner? Sit down in the corner. Okay.
Break it.
Oh, break
A
it?
lot of stuff in there.
Yep. Wait,
I'll get the half.
And I'll get the half. Oh, everything's in that chest. Oh, our inventory is so full.
Not me. You got all of it, I think. Yup. You got 48?
41.
Wait, you got the furnaces?
Yep.
I got
Get the bed.
I got the torch.
Well, we're ready.
It's a good place, guys. But
Yep.
it's time to leave.
So, Oh no,